I'm here to announce the second annual Renew Retreat. We did it last year in February and we're doing it again this year in February. It's called Renew Story and Style this year, and it's our second annual online retreat. So I want you to come get cozy with me for the weekend in February. It's the 22nd and the 23rd, and it's 2 days with me in the studio, and we are talking story, style, creativity, art, and of course, we're always talking rug hooking. So it's 2 full days of learning with my special guests that I have invited because I admire them and they have wonderful creative ideas to share with us. And it's just last year was just the coziest time and people had an amazing experience. You can read the reviews right on the product, and it's going to be right on the front page of the website. So go on there, get registered, and if you get registered before early January, we're going to send you a swag pack so that you have that for the retreat. And of course, we have a coupon that goes with it as well. That will save you $50 off a purchase of $100. So there's real bonuses to getting registered early. Now, Renew is something that you do for yourself. And the idea is that you take 2 days that are just for you and you spend it with us, with a whole group of us together, and we talk rug hooking, creativity, art, beauty for 2 days, and we make and we hook, of course, and we learn from other people who are making beautiful work. So join me February 22nd and 23rd for a very special, sweet, quiet but exciting weekend that will give you a sense of renewal. That's what we're after. Story and Style 2025. It's Renew. Get registered, hookingrugs.com. And if you do it before early January, you get all the bonuses and we send you the swag pack. So come get cozy with me in February. We're going to have fun. See ya.